Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make your scheduling even smarter? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly with ChatGPT to handle meeting requests automatically. The key is using Zapier as your bridge between the two apps. You'll need free accounts for Calendly, Zapier, and OpenAI. First, create a new Zapier in Zapier. For the trigger, select Calendly and choose NVT created. This starts the automation when someone books a meeting now. For the AI magic, for the action, search for OpenAI and select Send Prompt. Connect your OpenAI account. Here's where you customize. In the prompt field, write instructions for ChatGPT. For example, create a personalized welcome email for invitee name who booked an event type on event date. Include their company name from invitee company and suggest one relevant resource. Test your Zap to make sure it works. Then turn it on now when someone books through Calendly. ChatGPT will automatically generate a custom follow-up message that you can send via email or save to your CRM. And that's it. You've just created an AI-powered scheduling assistant that personalizes every client interaction. If you build a smart scheduling workflow, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.